Hi, welcome to Quiz2go. In this tutorial, we're going to give you a brief overview of the exam drop-down menu. Now, just above here is the exam folder, and below it are the exams that have been placed in that folder. If you right-click on one of the exams, it gives you a number of options to choose from. The first one is copy. Used to copy an exam to another folder or to create a backup copy of the original. The next is cut. This is used to cut and paste exams to another folder. Simply click cut, go to one of the other folders, right click and press paste. That exam will now be in that folder. The next option is edit, used to create questions, edit questions, or remove questions from an exam. Next is check modify, used to modify exam descriptions and parameters such as time allowed, allowed to repeat the exam, and show score, seen here. And you can customize this to your preference. The next option is remove. This is used to permanently remove an exam from your database if you no longer need it. Next option is preview. Allows you to preview the exam as seen by the student. It also shows the correct answers for you to check and make sure you've entered them properly. Next is view results. This shows all the results for the exam. If you click on it, you'll have the student's name, time and date, exam mark, as well as a raw score for that student. The next option is assign to user. This allows you to assign the exam to an individual student. For example, if you click on it, click the student's name, and then assign, that exam has now been assigned to that individual student. The next option is assign to group. Now we have an Art 10 group. If you click assign, that exam will be assigned to that group and all the students you placed in that group. Next option is rename. If you want to rename your exam, you simply delete the heading, enter the new exam name, and save it. The next is export. Lets you export to a file. You can share this file with other users or use it as a backup. Next option is print. This lets you print hard copies but does not print graphic images. If your exam does not include graphic images, you can print hard copies to use if your internet is down. The next is print answer key, and this is used alongside printing the hard copy exam. You can use this answer key to mark your hard copy exams. That's a quick overview of all the options under your exam folder. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to connect with you soon, and if you have any questions, please direct them to sales@quiz2go.biz. And if you need more tutorials, please go to quiz2go.com under the support tab.